Here we're asked to select all that are equivalent to 4 to the power of negative 3. First of all, remember that exponents, you're not just multiplying these two numbers, so that already tells us that A is not true. If we look at this rule here, though, that tells us that anything to the power of a negative number is just, we're throwing that exponent to the denominator here, which gives us 1 over 4 to the power of 3. So in this case here, already C looks good here. If we have 2 to the power of negative 6, that's 1 over 2 to the power of 6 here. Now, in this case here, let's take a look at this really quick. 2 to the power of 6 looks like this. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. This 2 times 2 is also 4. And this 2 times 2 is also 4. So 1 over 2 to the power of 6 gives us 1 over 4 times 4 times 4, which is equal to 1 over 4 to the power of 3. So I would say that B is also equivalent to 4 to the power of negative 3. Now in this case here, 1 over 4 to the power of 3 is the same as 1 over 4 times 1 over 4 times 1 over 4, because on the numerator here, 1 times 1 times 1 is just 1, and then 4 times 4 times 4 is 4 to the power of 3. Now we know that it's equal to 1 over 4 to the power of 3, so our answer is actually going to be less than 1, so we know it's not that one right there. The last one here, we know the F here we know is not true because our answer is not a negative number. It's the negative just says that our base is going on the bottom. Now for G here, let's see, we have 8 to the power of negative 1. So we're going to throw that on the bottom here. So we have 8 on the bottom to the power of 1 times 2 to the power of 2. So that gives me 1 over 8 times 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. Well, 8 times 4 is not the same as 4 to the power of 3, so not that one either. So our only answers are B, C, and